Okay, what we're going to do is take all the paper off of these crowns. After that, we're going to break them into tiny pieces and put them into the molds. Then put them into our oven and let them melt. After they have cooled and hardened, we can pop them out and color with them. Okay, now that they have melted down, hardened, and cooled, we're going to take them out of their molds and show you just how cool they turned out. Thanks for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun.
Yeah.
If you liked what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below. For updates and more, follow us on Twitter and Instagram at MissStarTv.
Bye!